I'm a helicopter. Wait, if my crack is out, you have to say, Currie, your crack is out. Do not have me sitting here with my butt crack out. I saw the gay guy from Mean Girls in Food for Less one time, and that's a ratchet grocery store. I was like, ooh. Them residuals ain't too good. Does this fan go higher? Okay, I'm sweating already. I ain't even started doing nothing yet. There's a knife in here. This is what I should have been opening with instead of digging around with my fingernails like a bug. Oh god, this looks hard. So we don't need that. Okay. Have you ever put together IKEA furniture?
Mm-hmm.
What's the hardest thing you've ever had to put together?
Probably like a drawer, like a chest.
A chest or drawers. When you're from the South, people don't say a chest of drawers. They say chest or drawers. I, for a long time, thought it was chest or drawers. I was like, what does that even mean? Can we get a trash can?
Don't worry about it. Oh my god.
This is all just junk, right? I didn't mean to lock the door. Tired already. Let's take a drink. You like how I brought my phone in here and then didn't charge it?
You just rested it.
Like what? Do you need to text? Am I supposed to just pour all this out? Here's our tool. You're a tool. Get it?
How many steps?
Yeah, but it's 26. That's not even that hard. Where do I start? Okay. Number 1. See, it says 1 here, but then it says 1 here. I think it's missing something. Okay.
We're stuck on the first page.
How do you get started? Wait, my crack is going to be out this whole video.
I'm not filming you from your back.
You always say you're going to make me look nice, and then I look homeless and obese. Okay. Number 1.
Stop repeating number 1.
Well, I don't know what to do yet. Can you screw this in with your hands? Ouch. Where's the L?
You think that's the official name of the tool?
What is it called? I don't know.
A monkey wrench.
Oh, it's right here. It's under the big thing. Oh, this works. This doesn't go in here?
No.
This is a monkey wrench? No, it is not. Full sweat. Wasn't Diet Coke.
Okay.
Oh, did that hurt?
Yes.
I could kill somebody. Don't test me. There you go. There's your ending. Oh my gosh, I'm too fat to be on my knees like this. We're done with 1 step. Ooh. I need to sit for a minute. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm so tired. Do I have to finish this?
No.
Max!